What if I told you that a website started in a small apartment in China is now a gateway to your next big income stream? Yes, I'm talking about Alibaba, a platform so massive it generated over $800 billion in sales in 2023 alone. And here's the kicker. You don't need to own a factory or even a warehouse to make money with it. Intrigued? Good. Today, I'm breaking down how you can tap into Alibaba's money-making magic and turn it into your personal profit machine. Stick around, and I'll share some insider tips that'll make you feel like a business tycoon, without the suit and tie. Why Alibaba is perfect for making money. Alibaba isn't just a marketplace, it's the marketplace for sourcing products at rock-bottom prices. From gadgets to trendy apparel, it has it all. The best part? You can resell these items at a profit, or even start your own private label brand. Think of it as a digital treasure hunt, where you're the one finding gold. How to make money with Alibaba. First up, let's talk about reselling products. This is a classic way to earn. You buy items in bulk from Alibaba at wholesale prices, then sell them at retail prices on platforms like Amazon, eBay, or even your own online store. For example, a pack of 50 reusable water bottles might cost you $100 on Alibaba. Sell each bottle for $10 on Amazon, and you're pocketing $400 profit. Easy math, right? Next, there's dropshipping, where you don't even touch the products. Instead, you list items from Alibaba suppliers on your store, and when someone orders, the supplier ships directly to your customer. It's low risk and high reward if done right. Private labeling is another gem. Imagine selling your own branded yoga mats or wireless earbuds. You can customize items on Alibaba with your logo and packaging to create a unique product that's all yours. Smart tips and tricks. Here's where the pros separate from the rookies. Vet your suppliers. Not all suppliers are created equal. Check reviews, request samples, and look for gold supplier badges. Start small. Don't buy 10,000 phone cases on your first try. Test the market with smaller quantities. Leverage trends. Use tools like Google Trends to spot hot-selling items before they explode. Timing is everything. Negotiate prices. Yes, even wholesale prices can be negotiated. A polite message to a supplier can save you big bucks. Pro hacks for success. Want to stand out? Offer bundles or unique product combinations, like pairing a coffee mug with a coaster set. And don't underestimate the power of stellar customer service. It's your ticket to repeat buyers. Building trust with Alibaba. Let's address the elephant in the room, scams. Alibaba is legit, but due diligence is key. Always check reviews, ask for certifications, and communicate clearly with suppliers. A little caution goes a long way. Ready to dive into the world of Alibaba and start making money? Let me know in the comments what product you'd love to sell. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more smart money-making tips and tricks. Alibaba isn't just a platform, it's an opportunity. So why not make the most of it? Start small, dream big, and let's make those profits roll in.